There's a thunderstorm and I need some creative time. This poor girl, she hates thunderstorms. I know. Yes. Have an amazing workshop and we're having a play date, and this is where we're at. Look at this view. And this is our test piece. First step. Maybe we need to fit it to see if it fits. Yes, it does. So this is where we're at. Now we're doing the mast. Splitting because this is now one size up, and it's going perfectly. Look at that. Now. So what's ready? That's ready. That one is ready. Our two boats are ready.
So next step is cutting this.
These are two inches fit in there.
This one must go all the way through, right?
Yes. And it's through. It's working. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay, we can test. Yay! We did it! Now the gluing part is starting.
You're going to do the gluing.
Okay. And this one.
So that you can get the exactly the right orientation.
That one.
We have to just glue.
No, it's fine.
Step 1 will be to stick this in
Okay.
there. Step 2 will be to
Go
go carefully
through
through the
there.
hole. And step 3, we'll then measure how much we need.
Awesome. And then put the stick in.
And just hold it in the right place and just
How
for a
long
few
does it
minutes
take?
until
Few minutes.
not minutes, but 30 seconds or so.
Next up is this one.
Bit of glue in the hole.
Just a little bit. And do this one as well while we're busy. There we go.
Okay.
Put that one in.
Just twirl it around a little bit. Take it out and put it in again, just so that the glue gets like into the hole.
Okay. There we go.
And then wipe off your excess. Cloth's disgusting. It's
Still working.
It's only for glue and paint spots. Spread the glue
Push it off. Oh, that looks so nice. Okay, so that's drying now. So we're going to sand these two just on top. And then my friend had this little hook, and so this one I will make so you can hang it up. And this rope I will use on the sails. I have this beautiful piece of linen, and I've just put some wood glue on it to make it stiff. The wood glue is almost dry, and I'm just leaving it here. Measure it from there up to about there. So we work in centimeters, and that works out at about 12 centimeters. And then I usually find that it looks nice if it sticks past a little bit, so I'm going to measure up until there. So it's 8 centimeters. We had an interruption. I think I'm gonna get this done. This boy is on my lap and he wants some love. Okay, he's giving me time to work again. So I'm going to make holes in this. Oh, bubbles. How am I supposed to get my work done with you? Hole. And this thing is very blunt, but it makes it basic. I wonder if you can sharpen these things. Okay, I figured it out. You just need to use more force. There we go. I heard the click. There. You can see the hole. And I'm just going to cut it open now. Perfect. I'm putting in the grommets. Next I'm going to crimp them. It's not perfect, but it will do. And now it's the rope. I'm going to use to tie it to my boat frame. I make a loop and push it through. And for the other side I do the same. Pull it until it's in place. Now the rope is like that, but I want it to be like this so it can go around the piece of stick. So I just make a knot, and then the rope is in the right direction. And I do a knot, which I will put some glue in later just to keep it in place. And then I do the same at the top. And I'm just going to cut it all flush. I'll add the glue a bit later. Let's put some dots of glue. Oh, that's too much. And this glue will dry see-through in the end.